The incident involving Amer al-Mahdi Mansour al-Gaddafi, a Libyan pilgrim, and his Hajj flight has indeed become a widely circulated story, often described as a modern-day miracle. Here are more details that have emerged. The core incident. Denied boarding. Amer al-Mahdi Mansour al-Gaddafi, a young man from Libya, arrived at the airport to embark on his Hajj pilgrimage. However, he was denied boarding at immigration. The reason cited was a security flag on his surname, al-Gaddafi, which was still linked to the previous civil unrest in Libya from over a decade ago. Despite having all his legitimate travel documents, the system flagged him. Flight departs without him. Even after his pleas and attempts to clarify the situation, the flight captain reportedly insisted on departing due to security protocols and scheduling constraints. His companions boarded the plane, leaving him behind at the counter. Unwavering faith. Amer al-Gaddafi's resolve remained unshaken. He reportedly stated to airport authorities, "I will not leave this airport until I depart for Hajj," expressing his firm belief that if Hajj was written for him, nothing could prevent it. First return. Shortly after takeoff, the plane encountered a technical malfunction, forcing it to return to the airport. After a delay and some minor repairs, it was ready for a second departure. Second departure, still without him. Even after the first return, the pilot reportedly again declined to take al-Gaddafi on board, and the plane departed for the second time. Second return and captain's insistence. In a truly astonishing turn, the same plane experienced a second technical issue mid-flight, once again forcing it to return to the airport. It was after this second emergency landing that the captain reportedly made a remarkable announcement. "I swear I won't fly again unless Amer is with us on this plane." Clearance and final departure. Following the captain's insistence, authorities quickly cleared Amer al-Gaddafi for travel. He boarded the flight on its third attempt, and this time, the journey to Jeddah proceeded without any further incidents. Wider interpretation and impact. Divine intervention. The story has resonated deeply with people, especially within Muslim communities, who widely interpret it as a sign of divine will and answered prayer. It reinforces the Islamic belief that certain events, like performing Hajj, are predestined and that Allah's plan will prevail regardless of obstacles. Hajj is written. The phrase, Hajj is written. For those destined to perform, it has been frequently used in connection with this event, emphasizing the idea that one goes to Hajj not just because they can afford it or are able to travel, but because Allah has invited them. Social media viral sensation. The narrative of Amer al-Gaddafi's journey quickly went viral across social media platforms, with countless individuals sharing the story and expressing their amazement and spiritual reflections. Photos of him posing with the flight crew have also circulated. Testament to faith. Al-Gaddafi himself was quoted saying, "I only wanted to go to Hajj. And I believed that if it was written for me, no force could prevent it." His unwavering faith in the face of what seemed like insurmountable odds has become a powerful example for many. This incident has certainly added a unique and inspiring chapter to the ongoing stories of Hajj pilgrimages.